Is that a penis? Oh, that's a neck.
Oh, I see.
What the heck? I was like, Anthony, what is going on with your feed?
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Pasta and Panda React to Shit. I put that in the title because you click on it when I do that. Isn't it smart? Anyway, it's me and Pasta. Say hi, Pasta.
Hi. Hi, guys. What's up?
What a lovely cartoon lady she is.
Your favorite talking gift? It's me.
She showed me some of her favorite TikToks earlier. So I'm going to show her some of my favorite Instagram reels because I'm an old stinky boomer. That's it. Stop watching this intro. Just click. Just go. Yeah, we'll start with this. This isn't even a TikTok. I just thought that this design was fucking amazing.
This is really cool, actually.
It's so sick.
It is.
We love Alyssa.
I love her.
Here.
Yes. Yeah, she's fucking awesome.
Perfect logo. I mean, absolutely. Someone is missing an opportunity here. If like Nike or someone picks this shit up, gotta do it.
She's badass.
Yeah, she's awesome. I like her attitude. She doesn't give a f.
Yes. Yeah, great.
Like as soon as they're done skating, they just go and start ripping packs. Like it's just.
Yeah.
These girls rule,
I saw
dude.
that too.
These
yeah,
girls
they
rule.
were awesome.
Hey, look at this fella. You gotta see homie getting strapped in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He's just taking it too. He's like, oh, I love this. Oh man. This is like a dog sauna.
Yeah.
Oh my god. He's so cute. He's so cute. I can.
A beautiful baked potato.
Yes. He literally is he's a steamed bun.
Oh my lord.
Oh, he's so cute.
I bet you that feels so good. Like I would sleep on one of these.
I would too.
Just have air constantly blowing on me.
Yeah. Hot, dry air. I love it.
Oh, see, I would be like cold air. I just have it like a dryer duct hooked up directly to like a wall, I can't even talk. Like a floor fan, like one of those rotating, oscillating fuckers.
Oh yeah. I love white noise anyway. I have to sleep with white noise.
I have to have something on.
So like that would be perfect.
I'm actually, I don't like silence like ever.
Me either. I think it's an ADHD thing.
Like, the moment that I wake up in the morning, I'm like either turning on music or I'm playing something on the TV, and then I walk into the kitchen where I start my day and I immediately pull up a video or I'm playing music. As soon as I come upstairs, I put on Spotify and I put on my headphones. Like I do not like silence.
I don't either.
I'm easily distracted. I have misophonia, so any like sounds are gonna start pissing me off. So I'm like, let me just remove the world the moment I wake up.
Hell yeah.
So I don't remember what this is. Oh
my god. Wow.
The little kicks to get him going.
This is like humans are better. Humans are better. Humans are better. Wow. Ooh, just take out the trash. Just take it out. Wow, this is more fun.
This reminds me of every lunchroom at every camp I ever went to in Boy Scouts.
Oh.
I can imagine this like a big old mess hall or something.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why
is that the image? Because he's got a big head, big brain.
Yeah, why? Oh, that's so weird. Yeah, I don't even see it in the video.
Oh, here, look at this. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. It's the fleshlight of all Pokemon.
You know, and on this day, Sandy Gas became someone's favorite Pokemon.
This is because it has like a handle.
I never noticed that it was called Pokemon Fit.
Fit this big in your mouth.
Is it gonna fit? We'll find out. The little handle's crazy.
It's so weird.
Someone designed this, made it, and then looked at it and was like, whoa.
We up.
Something went wrong. But I'm so glad that it happened.
I'm never gonna look at that Pokemon the same way again.
Yeah, me either. I think I kind of like it now, actually.
Wait, what's the website so we can avoid it?
I think that's an official Pokemon Center plush.
That's insane. That is insane.
I gotta buy it.
Can you smell what the rock is fuming? There it is. This video is brought to you by Fume.
I think the only thing that hits harder than a rock bottom from Dwayne Theodore Rockefeller Johnson himself are the cravings from an oral fixation. And baby, that is where Fume comes in handy. They are the leader in the flavored air category. And man, is this air delicious. Quitting bad habits is hard, and the people over at Fume know that, which is why they've curated the ultimate device. You can puff on it, you can twist it around and click it, you can chew on it. Honestly, there's no limit to what you can do with this thing, and that's what makes it so special. If you suffer from bad habits like me, you'll know that putting it in your mouth and taking a big old suck is only half the battle. You know that having it in your hand, twisting it around, flicking it, just knowing that it's there, also satisfies those little neurons firing in your brain. And that's where Fume has got both bases covered. Not only is the Fume an S+ tier fidget device that you can click and twist and pop and play with and suck on, you name it, but it is also a fantastic substitute for those bad oral fixations. You see, Fume doesn't have any juices or nicotine or batteries or things that you need to light. It is literally just a device that you can hold in your hand and suck away on guilt-free all day, anywhere, anytime. There is a ton of different flavors you can choose from, so you're guaranteed to find something that fits your needs. You guys have heard me talk about the crisp mint in the past. I've currently been on the peach bliss. I just discovered I'm a huge fan of the raspberry lemon. It's getting a little warmer outside. It's starting to feel a little bit like spring, and I'm craving something a little bit fruity and juicy. And that is exactly what this flavor brings. It almost tastes like a delicious lemonade made by grandma on a hot summer day. If that's not your thing and you're not looking for something fruity, the crisp mint is seriously one of my go-tos. It is good year round, it is good all day, and it just hits the spot. So, if you're ready to start kicking those bad habits, now is a perfect time. Head on over to tryfume.com/BigJigglyPanda and add a journey pack to your cart, and you will get a free set of toppers. That's right, a free set of chewy, wonderful, squishy toppers that you can add onto your Fume for absolutely free. It's fantastic. Actually, in the midst of recording this video, I told my editor I was going to send them one of my extras, and then we'll get some feedback from them. Yeah, you like that? I know Fume will. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. Kick those bad habits, y'all. I believe in you. I also believe you'll enjoy the rest of this video. Let's get back to it, shall we? All right, so you thought this was a wiener earlier, so let's...
I thought it was a wiener! I thought it was a wiener! See, how can you hate women, y'all?
Dude. Have you ever seen the videos of the seals where they like suck their head in?
Yes,
That's exactly
I love them.
what it looks like to me.
Yeah, we just needed a at the end.
I actually might have a seal video on here. Hold on. Let me just scroll a little bit.
There you go. They're so crazy. I love seals.
They are such weird animals.
Yes. Don't they eat puffer fish or puffins? No, they eat puffins, right? The little, maybe I'm thinking of this wrong. I might be mistaken.
I don't know what the hell those little bastards eat. Oh, I scrolled so far. Here we go.
I still can't get over her neck.
Yeah.
That's a penis. I'm already practicing. That's the comment I just saw. I'm already practicing. This is so good. This is Women's Month, by the way, and we need to give her an award.
Yeah, no, that's comedy gold. Not a word was said.
This is the thumbnails I'll send my friends when I'm drinking. I'll do shit like this. I won't do the neck thing. That's talent, but I'll do this.
I used to have a thing on Twitter called Thumbface Thursday, where I would just take the most awful multi-chin picture of myself that I could, and I would tag it with that, and then I would try to get every person who I knew in the content creator space to also do it.
That's so wholesome.
A lot of the ladies didn't want to do it for a while because, you know, it's a very ugly photo, but eventually the walls cracked and they started doing it too, and I was like, yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it fell off. It fell off because it got old doing it every week for months and months and months, but it was always a good time. Sometimes it would be like trending, like very small in like a local area or something.
You should bring it back.
I should.
But we need more wholesome things on Twitter because that place is it's goopy.
Maybe I'll bring it back on like Instagram on something.
Yeah, Instagram.
Anything to stay away from Twitter would be great.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, let's look at this pug. Guppy.
Fucking violent ass.
You're so
Wow. Oh my God. Pugs always sound like they're getting waterboarded. Like when they freak out, they're always like.
Oh, dude, you're fairly new around here for the React videos that we do together, but my audience knows this. I fucking hate pugs. I hate those
So
little
inbred.
fucking things. Like, you know what? If there's any animal on the planet that we should willingly let go extinct, it's that fucking thing. Put them out of their misery.
Yes.
They can't breathe.
Yes.
They can't bark. They can't do goddamn anything. Let them
It's
go.
rough.
Quit breeding them. Let them die.
I feel like that with English bulldogs. That's how I feel about them. Because I've just seen so many of them have like,
They just have so many problems.
they're so cute. Yeah, they have so many problems. You're right.
It's like they're bred for imperfection at this point. Like, just no, let's stop.
Yeah.
Mir, you'll like this one.
But you see that sucker over there? 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. Did you see that sucker over there?
That's crazy. I love this. You know, I think in the world where we're at, people are like, what do we do? Well, we make memes. We laugh through the trauma. That's all you can do. That's all you can do.
Trust me, horrible, horrible situation. Every person involved should be publicly executed with the guillotine or firing squad.
Yes. Vote and meme. That's my response.
But those combinations of words and images do conjure laughter from me. And I can't say that I apologize for it.
And I don't think anybody blames you at all. I think we're all laughing at that.
And if you do blame me, I'm sorry. I'm sure your comment will be auto-moderated by YouTube. Look at this fine gentleman.
What is that? Oh my God, I didn't expect. I thought it was a pig.
It's a prairie pig. It's a capybara.
It's a prairie pig. Oh, he's loving it. Oh my God, when the edible hits.
Looks like a fine British man.
Oh my gosh. Yes, I would love another cup of tea.
This how little hair he's got there is just so weird.
I think it's because of his fat roll. We appreciate that.
That's what I look like in the mirror in the morning.
Hi, Orient. Really well.
Here's the person everybody says I remind them of.
Oh my God.
You've seen School of Rock,
I feel like
right?
I'm looking in a mirror
Yes,
right
yes.
now. You're really challenging me.
Please, can we?
Oh my God, let's do it. So you think you'll be all fine without me, but you're mine. You think you can kick me out of the band because you're not hardcore. Unless you live hardcore. And the legend of the wrench was way hardcore.
Yay!
I definitely do Jack Black vocal stems, so I can see why people say it. I was doing them earlier when we weren't recording in between videos. I'm just over here like, yeah! For no reason.
No, I kept going, Hidden Valley Ranch!
Yeah.
But mine sounds like Toadette, so.
Just get a little toad
Hidden
costume and cover
Valley
it.
Ranch!
What is this? I don't.
Are these actually like wild huskies that we trapped? Also, what's the matter?
Oh my God, this is the thing!
It is.
Terrified to be
This
in
is the scariest movie.
Are you okay, baby?
Oh no.
This dog is not gonna live, bro.
She's got no idea what's
Now
coming.
you just
Spoiler
introduced
alerts for anybody who
5
hasn't seen
more
The
to me.
Thing, by the
It's not
way.
looking good. Hey, we're all friends. No, we're all best friends.
That's the correct reaction. Oh, this is one of my favorite horror movies. It's so anxiety inducing.
Oh, John Carpenter is like, as far as horror goes, probably the GOAT.
God.
Look, I don't even know shit about Warhammer, okay? I'm just here for the guy in a suitcase. I don't understand these references. But I understand funny when I see it.
This is a Southwest frequent flyer. When they had to tell them that they have assigned seating now, they're like, over my dead body.
Put me in the cargo
Ride
hole.
or die. Yeah. Oh my God. That's them.
Oh man. A couple of years ago, I did a tour with somebody. The way that I would enter the stage that I wrote and I came up with and agreed to and did 27 times was that they bought a hockey goalie gear bag and then I would get inside of it. And then while the other person was talking, I would get rolled onto stage and then just sort of dropped in the bag and like not even bring attention to it. And people would be like, what the fuck is that? And then the other person would go over there and be like, what is going on? And then they would open the bag and I would burst out of it with a microphone and the crowd would be like, ah! It was awesome.
Oh my God.
But the first night we tried it was in LA as a test show and the bag they could find wasn't the right size. So I'm stuffed into a much smaller bag than I'm used to. And I had never done this before. It was the first time ever being on tour or like on stage. So I started having a panic attack while zipped inside of a duffel bag on the side of a stage in Los Angeles.
Dude, I bet you wanted to die.
The moment the zippers were opened and I burst out of the bag, I just went into like a flow state. I don't remember any of it. None of it.
Jeez, that's horrifying. That's a horror movie.
It was awesome though, because we did it. It happened. It worked.
You started at like the worst as it could possibly get, and then it could only gotten better from there.
How about a dramatic Roddy?
Yes.
Just a little clip.
Literally watches it happen. Oh, I'm okay. Let me scream about it though.
At least we didn't overreact about it, you know? Oh my God, it's like a half second after.
Oh, I love it.
Just a little clip.
What a beautiful angelic voice too.
It's so good.
Hidden Valley Ranch.
Hidden Valley Ranch.
That's what he's singing about. I always got dog videos. Oh, look, another. You know, it's so funny. I hate pugs, but they seem to grace my presence way too often. So I just save them all. It's kind of a love-hate thing.
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's like, I hate watch. I watch pugs the same way people watch Wings of Redemption in 2026. Part of me's rooting for you, but at the same time, I'm also here to watch the destruction.
These two remind me of like two old people at the retirement home, and it's supposed to open, the buffet is supposed to open at 4 p.m. and it's
3:57 or something, yeah.
Yeah, that's what reminds me. God, they're so dramatic.
Yeah.
They're like so dramatic.
There's heinous little beasts.
the little steps. Oh my God.
That's just for food. Like, imagine if somebody was at the door. Horrible little creatures.
Yeah.
Which is why I saved so many videos of them.
They're actual gremlins.
Don't even get me started. We're gonna move on. Here, check this out.
Hey, you gotta get your ass off the apples, man. You got your ass on the apples, man.
I was gonna tell somebody don't buy those apples. I farted on them.
I love that he waves him over. After he's like, you gotta get your ass off the apples, you see him like wave him over. He's like, get over here, let me tell you something.
Hey, you gotta get your ass off the apples, man. You got your ass on the apples, man.
Like, look, come here, let me tell you something.
I was gonna tell somebody don't buy those apples. I farted on them.
See, old people are the best.
I hate that he sounds like the creepy pedo guy from Family Guy.
Yeah.
Don't tell nobody I farted on those apples.
I farted on those apples. Come on, don't tell no one, but I farted on them apples.
I just love that. I bet you this is the first time anybody's ever uttered this sentence to somebody. You gotta get your ass off the apples, man.
You gotta get your ass off the apples, man. You got your ass on the apples, man.
He's like, shit.
I thought he was like, you know what? What's wholesome about it is like, I thought he was gonna say some kind of dickwad bullshit. You know what I mean?
When I first time I saw it too, I thought, I was like, oh boy.
Here we go.
Bet you I know what word's coming next. But I was pleasantly surprised. This is one of my favorite edits I've seen recently.
Oh. Okay, this is crazy. This is what you would send to Mima, and she's like, get him on the phone.
Was that real?
Was that real?
Is the building they built for T-Rex still standing?
You over here, Mima on the phone. Yeah, Trudy, we hired them contractors. Yeah, we hired them. Yeah, they've been around so long, they work for Jesus.
What's crazy is his name was Jesus too. He just said it a little different.
It was a sign from above.
They were sent to me from Christ.
That's crazy.
Sent this one to Tyler and Kelly, and I'm like, be careful.
Did you just slam? You okay? You're okay.
Well, yes, I think I did say my head. Watch me do it again.
Oh my god.
You okay? You're okay.
She's like, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Oh my god. Oh my god. The first one didn't set in enough.
Nah, I didn't quite fully reset the system.
They really be putting the con in concussion. It didn't work.
It's a scam.
It's a scam.
This one had me literally shrieking the other day when I saw it.
Oh my god, this is like when you're in the back seat in the car, the family car, and then your older brother's like, y'all knock it out.
Yeah.
Knock it off. The guy, what makes it even better,
This guy like, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Knock it off.
Oh my
Protect
god.
the little bro. Oh my god, men are so unserious sometimes, and I love it so much.
Oh, dude.
Y'all are fucking crazy.
I will forever love the joy I get of just dudes fucking with dudes.
Yes.
Just innocent little bullshit like this.
It's so unserious. This is some funny shit, dude.
Every frame is funny. Wait, hold on a second. Hold on. I got a voiceover for you. Hidden Valley Rats! Stop it! Well, so because he's carrying it too, so if he drops it, it's like it fucks him up. Oh my lord!
Wow, that's crazy. That is such a good video.
I don't remember what this one is then. I think because this one. Oh. He's still strapped in.
Oh god.
Oh shit.
At least his homies were there.
Oh my lord. Got himself strapped in with carabiners and shit. Like, why would you put a seatbelt on a death trap? I'd be trying to get out of that bitch as quick as possible.
Can you imagine that starts rolling down the mountain? You're going down with it.
Yeah,
You're
'cause-
done. The gasping up hard.
yeah, Yeah, I don't know. They're shocked. That thing looks like it was a disaster waiting to happen.
Where did you think that was gonna go?
I like the ingenuity, though. It's a good design.
Yeah.
Do you want to see something crazy?
Of course.
There are times where I'm like, oh, man, I'm having such a hard day. Well, how am I gonna manage? And then I see shit like this, and I'm like, my life is so goddamn easy. This is a blind man skateboarding.
Oh, wow.
I got you, bitch. This isn't a serious video at all.
No way, I thought that was gonna be like a heartwarming video. Oh my god. Wow.
Because I saw this the other day and I'm like, oh my god, dude, this is so cool. I'm gonna send this to my buddy who loves skateboarding. And then I watched it all and I'm like, I'm glad I didn't send it yet.
That's incredible. Oh, wow. I swear, I thought I was gonna see him do like, I don't know, like a 50-50 or something.
Yeah, just land like a nice trick or like kickflip over a gap or something.
Yeah. No.
Me too, Brandon. Me too. See, I don't even remember what some of these are. Like, what the fuck is this? I forgot all about this.
Oh my god. The rat gif next to this
It's
is
so funny.
crazy. It's like they're holding on to each other.
I gotta get it right when he grabs them.
When the edible's too strong.
Yep.
You're nonverbal.
Oh man.
Oh my god, that gif below the rat, the guy spinning the bait. How did I not notice that? It's like, what made you want to have a child?
This video.
This video.
It starts to die.
The way his eyes are on that.
The screaming fucking kills me. The people found like, it's like, look at this. This is like the perfect, it's like he goes back to fucking the war.
I can't even talk.
There was a channel, I don't even know if it's still around, but there's this guy who gets like kids toys and he hooks them up to like he could control the voltage and amperage or whatever it is on this like a power supply essentially. He'll just put them at their regular power and slowly crank them up until they work themselves until they explode. So there was one of like an Elmo and he's just like, oh, I'm Elmo. And then by the end of it, he's just like, it's fucking crazy.
We need to react to that. We need to find that channel and react to that because that would send me.
I will find it and I will send some to you.
We had this Christmas ornament. My grandma was a teacher, so she had a lot of like teacher ornaments for her tree from her students. And there was this one where it was, these are my favorite things. And it was like a chalkboard and you would press it and it had like this angel on the chalkboard and it would go like, doo 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 doo. So like 20 years later, it was going. It was insane. It was our favorite ornament and finally died. And I was so sad about it. There's nothing we could do to fix it.
I fucking found it, dude.
You found it? We gotta watch one. We gotta watch one.
I found the one.
Oh my god. Okay.
So this is normal. Up it goes.
Oh my god. He's ascended. He's ascending.
His final cry for help.
Oh my god.
That's your little 2-second preview at the beginning. It f***ing kills me.
Ladies be like, I should call him evil. That's me.
Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed because we had a good time. And if you didn't, chances are you already clicked off the video and you're not watching this. I ain't talking to you, bitch. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you all so much. Check out Pasta's channel. Link down below. There's gaming and there's reactions. And do you have other channels? Is it just those two?
No, this is just those two.
Okay, for now.
That's enough.
For now.
That's enough.
There'll be a VODs channel and 3 multi-stream links and shit somewhere. Anyway, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out Chasta. I'm done. Bye.